Hey guys, so this is the new trade we want to discuss. We haven't got triggered yet because of the RR ratio, but we made money in this sell. Now we would be making money if this is happening. We would be making money in this buy. So the plan is this. This would be our entry. If any correction or retracement we get and we get filled in the trade, this will be the stop and this will be the target for that. And the reason we would be able to do that because we understand the structure properly and we understand how this thing is going to move. So no need to rush in the direction. We will be having this trade. No need to worry about it. Alright, so I'll be updating you as we filled in this trade. Hey guys, this is the next update into the oil trade. As you can see, the plan is little changed because of the structure, because the structure is changed now. So we got trigger on this candle. We just recently got trigger, and this is the next repositioned stop, and this is the target. Target remains the same. So we'll be updating you as we go along in this trade. It's a good trade. Do not miss this one. Hey guys, this is the next update in the trade, and for those जो ब्रेक इवन पे बाहर आ गए हैं, आपको ये समझना होगा मार्केट मूव कैसे करता है. आपने कोई ट्रेड ली है, इट्स नॉट गोना गो अप इन द सिंगल डायरेक्शन. ऑलराइट, ब्रेक इवन पे आने के रूल्स होते हैं, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग इट, ये इस तरह की ट्रेड्स आपसे मिस हो जाएंगी. ऑलराइट, so for those who doesn't understand the market structure, this is scary for those. But for the people like us, I mean guys, come on, यहाँ बैठकर हम लोग अप एंड डाउन ट्रेड नहीं कर रहे. वी आर ट्रेडिंग द मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर, एंड स्ट्रक्चर वाइज आप भी यही हो, मैं भी यही हूँ. दिस इज गोइंग टू हिट आवर टारगेट. नाउ ब्रेक इवन पे जो लोग बाहर आ गए, आई कैंट से एनीथिंग टू यू, बट फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर इनटू इट, बी स्टे इन द ट्रेड. वी आर अबाउट टू hit our target, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, it doesn't matter, but we will be. All right, so I'll be updating you as we go along, and thank you. All right guys, so this is the next update. As you can see, we are booking our full of the profits at the target. Now that's what I call a power of the structure. When you understand this properly, you are not afraid of the market. I would repeat this again and again and again. You have to understand how the market move. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि बस आपने बेसिक नॉलेज लिया है और आप मार्केट को कंकर करने आ रहे हैं. मार्केट विल ऑलवेज टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ द फियर यू हैव. सो हमने क्या करना है, वी हैव टू टेक प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिस फॉर दैट. और उसके लिए अगर आपसे कोई बोल रहा है कि ही अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स द मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर इज डूइंग, and you should be looking the market in the same way, he or she might be having reasons for that. He has done years of studies on these things. Alright, ये सिर्फ मैं उन्हें बता रहा हूँ जो ब्रेक इवन पे इस ट्रेड पे बाहर आ गए. Alright, if you are following us, then follow 110%. You just, ऐसा नहीं कि you just took the trade based on our analysis and then you're making your own decisions in that trade. That should not be happening again. I'm really sorry for a morning rant right now, but I think that's the only thing I can do for you. Those people who are iTA students, those people understand the market concept, but those who are not, and those are just a part of trading room, please understand, we have very specific understanding of the market and we are really proud of it. So I hope you don't make a mistake again. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.